2002 Thunderbird here at Unique, especially in classics. This car is going to come with the soft top and hard top. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed actual miles. A little over 34,000 is all in this one. Take a look at the front grille and fascia. Nice shape. Paint shows well, torch red in color as you can see with the charcoal and red interior. 3.9 liter V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. Power steering, power brakes, AC of course. Check out all the still pictures, over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right there. Or you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on the correct Thunderbird chrome wheels. Kumo radial tires, and let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see free of nicks, dings, or scratches, anything major over here in the passenger side. Black fabric soft top, and you can see the parade boot with the convertible top cover. Fits nicely. Interior also in nice shape. Of course, the center console with the shifter. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, get into a few more of the options that are on this car. I did notice one little spot where it's been touched up, but it's kind of tough to see. There's a little spot where it's touched up right there. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see the top up, the hard top on. We're also going to do that here at the end of the video, so stick around to the very end of the video. You'll be able to see both tops. At the very, very end of the video, we're going to take it for a drive. I did leave this trunk lid open. I want to show you something. I mentioned earlier, clean Carfax. I don't know if everybody's aware of this or not, but I want to show you. You can see that it still has the original body panels. There's a sticker with the VIN on it, and I'll show you that underneath the hood too. There it's on the deck lid or the trunk lid, and then over here also on the rear quarters. So, and nice, clean, tidy trunk. And I'll show you those stickers under the hood also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And here is the headliner on the hardtop that we're going to put on. You'll be able to see that better when I get it on the car. FYI, that stand is here for display purposes. That will not go with the car. That's one of the shops here at Unique. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors too. If you can't make it to look at this one yourself, feel free to have somebody look at it for you. Maybe you're too far away or time frame just doesn't work out. Not a problem. Tell you what, with the miles, condition of this car, this one will not disappoint. And if you like classic cars, you like newer sports cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you might come across here at Unique. It's always something new, it seems like, especially as the spring's right around the corner and we start getting a lot of cars in. Power windows, power locks. Door panels, nice shape. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see the door tag. Get a close-up of that. Of course, power seat over here on the driver's side. Leather seats, nice condition. Wearing as you'd expect with the leather and just kind of the natural wrinkles that you get like an expensive pair of shoes as the leather starts to kind of move and get used and sat in. Lots of life left in this car, no doubt about it. Steering wheel controls, cruise control, radio controls on the other side. Of course, power top. We're going to put that up once again here in a bit. Power windows, 6 CD changer, electronic dual climate control. Lots of options on these Thunderbirds, the more modern ones. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Again, that 3.9 liter V8. There's your exact miles, 34,064. All the gauges are working. That is a seatbelt warning indicator since I don't have my seatbelt on. Otherwise, no check engine lights, service engine lights, anything like that. Dual climate control working. AM, FM, 6 CD changer working. Top of the dash looks good. slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Sounds as you expect, stock engine sound. I have not noticed any modifications on this car. And I'm going to pop the hood release on this. Of course, that is inside the cabin here. There we go. I think I could probably get this one one-handed. Nice light hood. Hood struts work fine. There we go. Hood liner nice and clean. This car has not been driven in inclement weather, it looks like. And then look at this engine bay, also nice and clean and tidy, well cared for. I mentioned those fender tags right there. Another one right over here. And of course the one on the hood, that one's right back under there if you can see it. Another thing to look at, no sockets have ever been on these bolts up front on the fenders, so they have not been off or adjusted, fixed, anything like that. Once again, clean Carfax. No accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Good looking engine bay. Alright, remember, stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride if you will. If you like classic cars, sports cars, subscribe to our channel. But next, we're going to put the soft top up, check that out, and we'll move on to the hard top after that. Let's check out this soft top. You can see good fit, also excellent condition. Side glass rolls up nice into it. I don't think this top has been up a whole lot in this car, no doubt about that. Don't really see any staining. There's no rips, tears, holes, anything like that. Glass rear window, rear defogger. Power top, remember, works as it should. And there's also the hard top. Once again, for it, you'll be able to see that in the still pictures, and we're going to put it on after this one to show you that too. No surprises with the soft top. All right, one more pause. Get that hard top on that's sitting in the background, and we'll check that out. And last but not least, the hard top on. So as you can see, nice fit above the windshield. It's ultimately turning it into a hard top coupe. Side window glass, also good fit. The iconic Thunderbird porthole. As you can see, matches the car like it should. Paint a nice shape. Glass rear window with defogger. Around the passenger side here. Also looking good. I haven't noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches on it. And of course, how often are you going to drive this car with the hardtop on? But it's there if you need it. 2002 Ford Thunderbird. Both tops. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2002 Ford Thunderbird in red, of course, with its removable top. This is an automatic on the center console. Very nice acceleration in this Thunderbird. The odometer currently showing 34,062 miles. It does feel like a low mile car. Nice stereo sound system in this car. Quiet ride. The styling a throwback to the old 50s Thunderbirds, yet with all the modern amenities and handling. Leather bucket seats in red and black in this car with power, multiple position adjustability. Temperature and fuel gauge are working and looking good. Factory tachometer, speedometer also working. Brakes are working well. Very nice condition car. Clean and new looking inside and out for the most part. Handles good as a modern era Thunderbird should. Kicking down that automatic transmission, we do feel the power. What a fun car to drive. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this Thunderbird at uniqueclassiccars.com.